India's rise in global manufacturing. India is capitalizing on recent global changes in manufacturing, sourcing, and supply chains, while China is facing challenges. A study by Boston Consulting Group reveals that U.S. imports from China decreased by 10%, while imports from India increased by U.S. imports of mechanical machinery from China dropped by 28% but increased by 70% from India. India has emerged as a winner in global manufacturing, with its exports to the U.S. growing by $23 billion. India's competitive edge lies in its direct manufacturing costs for export, which are 15% lower than domestically produced goods in the U.S. Walmart, America's biggest retailer, has been increasing its sourcing from India. It aims to source across various categories where India has expertise, including food, consumables, health and wellness, general merchandise, apparel, shoes, home textiles, and toys. Walmart is on track to reach its target of sourcing $10 billion worth of goods from India each year by 2027. Already, India is one of the top sourcing markets for Walmart. $3 billion made in India products, including apparel, homeware, jewelry, and hard lines, are reaching customers in 14 markets. According to the Kima Sourcing Survey 2023, Disruption, Diversification, Digitization, there is a growing preference for sourcing from India among American businesses. The survey highlights India's appeal as a supplier market beyond textiles. In fact, India is the most popular supplier market among businesses in the accessories, jewelry, and eyewear sector, followed by promotional products. The textile and apparel sector, traditionally India's bread and butter, also ranks highly. India's reputation as a reliable sourcing partner extends across industries. India's rise in global manufacturing is transforming the landscape, with its competitive advantage in direct manufacturing costs and increasing exports to the US. As China faces challenges, India is seizing the opportunity to become a key player in the global market.